In this video of today, we will see the usage and grammar of adverbs of manner. So, what is this adverbs of manner and where do we use it? You see, when we want to express how something is done, how is it done, or when we want to mean how something happens, how something is done or how something happens, there we use the adverbs of manner. See, for example, it is an easy language. You can learn the language easily. So, how something happens or how something is done easily. So, normally it is followed by ly, double ly also in some cases, that we will see in the next part. So, it is an easy language, you can learn the language easily. The music is slow, the pianist is playing slowly, he is playing slowly. Her ideas are interesting, she spoke interestingly about her ideas, Malati looked hungry, Malati ate hungrily. So, this easily, slowly, interestingly, hungrily, they are all called adverbs of manner. We want to express how the things are done or how something happens, we use this pattern. See some examples from adjective to adverbs we will see. Correct becomes correctly, quiet, quietly, bad, badly, clear, clearly, quick, quickly, sad, sadly, silent, silently, wise, wisely, and there sincere, sincerely, careful, carefully, beautiful, beautifully, easy, easily, slow, slowly, prompt, promptly. Then here ly comes. Now, you see in this, good normally does not take that ly form, we call well. Fast, fast only, he drives fast, he is a very fast driver. Hard, hard only, we do not say hardly, hardly has some other meaning, but we say hard. He works hard, he studies hard, he plays hard, he earns hard, like that. So, correctly, he always gives his answers correctly, he sits in the class quietly, he is badly hurt, it is clearly understood, he quickly solved the problem, he silently sat in the class, he wisely tackled the problem, he sincerely serves his master, he carefully chooses his jobs, he paints beautifully, it is easily done, he always drives slowly. See, this is what adverb of manner, we have to use it in our day to day conversation, and it gives beauty to our language, and it also tells how a work is done, in what style a work is done. We will see some more examples. See, the careful student is studying, the careful student is studying. Careful is adjective here, but when it comes to this side, the student is studying carefully. He is a careful boy, so he is studying carefully. The quiet doctor, the doctor worked quietly. The sincere doctor is speaking, the doctor is speaking sincerely, the other way of expressing it. The quiet student studies, the student is studying quietly. The careful doctor is working, the doctor is working carefully. The prompt girl is coming, the girl is coming promptly. The punctual student arrived, the student arrived punctually. The careful teacher is writing, the teacher is writing carefully. The sincere man spoke, the man spoke sincerely. The slow teacher is talking. The teacher is talking slowly. The quiet boy is reciting. The boy is reciting quietly. The careful girl is answering the questions. The girl is answering the questions carefully. The prompt student wrote a letter. The student wrote a letter promptly. The intelligent student answered the questions. The intelligent student answered, the questions are answered by the student intelligently. Then, some more. His answer was correct. He answered correctly. He is a careful driver. She drives carefully. Mark is a fast reader. Here you see, fast only. It won't take fastly. Mark is a fast reader. He reads fast. They are good singers. They sing well. We say goodly. No, they sing well. This is a beautiful painting. Martha paints beautifully. I am a hard worker. I work hard. Here also, hard doesn't change. He works hard. I work hard. The doctor is very careful. He works carefully all of the time. Matt is a sincere person. He talks with his friends sincerely. John is a quick runner. He runs quickly. She is a good advisor. She advises well. Again you see, good. She advises well. Like that. He writes excellently. He eats slowly. He drives carefully. He speaks clearly. He swims rapidly. Like that. So that this adverb of manner you have to learn and master and go little simple to complex, and so that in your day to day speech you can, when you want to express how something is done, it makes your sentence more bit complex, and more a standard statement instead of simply telling with an adjective. When you use the adverb of manners, the sentence gets more beauty. That is the purpose of it. So that kindly watch this video and practice these sentences and create your own sentences. Give practice to your tongue for using the language frequently, so that the fluency can be attained. So, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.